Sometimes we order something that arrives in a box with a note. Some assembly required. To make it complete and functional, we need to use some muscle, some intellect, and some tools so it finally becomes whole and usable. These items are things we order and use around the home or office. Well, right now we have an opportunity to use our muscle, our intellect, and certain tools to put something entirely different together, with no assembly required at all. It's us. Our passions, our aspirations, our shared vision of what's possible. The glue to put this all together, our resilience. The muscle required to put this together, our ingenuity. The tools necessary, our stubbornness. Unlike physical objects requiring assembly, we have something timeless that outsmarts the need for assembly. We have each other. Physically apart? Yes. Intimately connected? That's up to us. Because we're each connected by something more binding and unbeatable. Our human spirit. And while it's enriching to get together, and we will soon enough, let's embrace the opportunities we have right now and recognize no assembly required isn't a barrier, but a chance to reaffirm the magic and power to be more connected than ever. No assembly required.